Introduction to Influencing Different Personalities highlights the importance of understanding personality differences to build effective influence. It emphasizes that adapting communication and behavior to suit different personality styles strengthens connections and relationships. The ability to influence successfully requires awareness of how people think, act, and respond. It also stresses the role of both conscious and unconscious biases in shaping our interactions. Ultimately, mastering this skill leads to more meaningful and impactful engagement with others. Understanding personality differences helps improve communication, teamwork, and influence. People with dominance traits are direct, decisive, and results-driven, valuing efficiency and outcomes. Those with influence traits are enthusiastic, outgoing, and people-oriented, thriving on recognition and social connections. Individuals high in steadiness are patient, dependable, and team-focused, prioritizing stability and harmony. Meanwhile, those with conscientiousness are analytical, precise, and detail-oriented, valuing accuracy and logical approaches. The influence I personality type is energetic, optimistic, and thrives on connecting with others. They are persuasive communicators who bring enthusiasm and a people-focused, team-oriented mindset. Their strengths include being natural motivators, fostering collaboration, and maintaining a positive outlook. However, they can sometimes become easily distracted or lose focus. They may also struggle with organization, which can affect consistency in execution. The influence I personality type has subtypes that blend with other traits, shaping different strengths. The I-D influence plus drive subtype combines charisma with a goal-oriented approach, often excelling in leadership, management, and sales roles. They bring energy and vision while motivating others toward results. The I-S influence plus support subtype is more relationship-focused, valuing harmony and teamwork. They thrive in people-centered and creative fields such as HR, coaching, or design, where collaboration and empathy are essential. When communicating with influence personality types, it's important to use a warm, positive, and enthusiastic tone. They respond well to encouraging language and expressive communication that reflects energy. Building relationships matters, so show genuine interest in their ideas and allow time for personal connection. When sharing information, focus on big-picture concepts rather than overwhelming them with details. Stories, examples, and engaging narratives work best to keep their attention and inspire action. Adapting influence techniques requires tailoring your approach to different personality types. With dominant types, be direct, concise, and results-focused while respecting their need for control. With steady types, use patience and sincerity, offering reassurance and consistency to support their desire for stability. With conscientious types, communicate in a precise, logical manner and back up points with data and details. Respecting each type's core needs builds trust and makes your influence more effective. Effective leadership with influence personalities requires balancing structure and flexibility. Provide clear frameworks that guide them but avoid overly rigid controls, as they thrive with some freedom. Setting specific goals and action plans, along with regular check-ins, helps them stay focused and accountable. When conflicts arise, address them firmly yet tactfully, since influence types can take criticism personally. Always frame feedback constructively to maintain motivation and positive relationships. When working with different personalities, it's important to avoid common pitfalls. Stereotyping should be avoided, as people are more than just a personality label. A one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work, so adapt your style rather than forcing your own on others. Ensure balanced communication by combining emotional connection with clear, factual information. Flexibility and awareness help build stronger, more effective interactions. To effectively apply influence strategies, tailor your approach to different personality types. For engaging types, foster participation using open-ended questions, storytelling, and recognition of their contributions. For steady types, provide reassurance, give advance notice of changes, and maintain stable environments with consistent expectations. For conscientious types, present detailed data, set clear expectations, and allow sufficient time for analysis before decisions are required. Overall, adapting communication and support to each personality type enhances engagement and decision-making. Mastering influence requires adapting your approach to fit each personality style. It's important to understand the unique qualities and challenges that each style presents. Building connections through empathy and flexibility strengthens professional relationships. Applying these principles allows you to engage more effectively with diverse individuals. Ultimately, this leads to better outcomes and stronger collaborative relationships. If you found value in the information I shared, please like and subscribe, and join me in the next video.